Usnea, old man's beard, lungs of the forest. You see this hanging in trees? What you can use this for is if you had a big gashing cut that was like big and it was bleeding, any type of bleeding, you would put the Usnea right on it. You would scrunch it up like this and put it right on it and cover it with, like wrap it with something. It'll stop the bleeding, like fast. It'll stop it so fast, it's crazy. And it's antibacterial and antifungal, so it'll work that way too. It'll start repairing and healing things, and it actually will speed up the healing process. Usnea, old man's beard, lungs of the forest, many names for it. If you are ever in the woods and you hurt yourself, look for the Usnea. It'll help a bunch. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Hit the bell so you'll be notified when I make new videos. And hit like if you can. Share my videos. I appreciate it. Thanks.